I don't know why it brings up a different web page like at the start of the stream. It's so annoying. Okay, alright, relax. What's going on here? Basically, just minimize all of this. Okay. Like that there. This here. Will this have everything? Yeah. Okay. Let's set up our copy trading. First, let's set up our charts. Alright, set up copy trading now. Set this up off screen. $95 needs to be the parent. Which one's 95? That one. Okay. Cool if it would just retrace and then I could short to these lows. Yeah, thanks for the follow, but I'm banning you. What a bot you are. Damn, there's so many bots. Here, let me I missed my entry. Damn. Alright, ban and ban. Fantastic. Thanks for nothing, bros. I want to get in, but I don't want to be too early. Or, I was late to the entry, but I don't want to chase it. If that makes sense. Playing the line go down game again. I'm gonna wait for the retrace with them. What does this look on YouTube? I haven't streamed on YouTube before. Oh, lets me do both? That's cool. I will say the vertical is a little weird because I don't know how to set it up yet to be like friendly to the eye. I missed the short and it goes super down. That's alright. Let's see. ES is also looking pretty bad. I'm not gonna chase it. I'm not gonna chase it. Are these equal lows? Yeah, they are. Oh, that's nice. So retesting the breaker structure. I'm just gonna do one to be a safe side. I'll risk do $42 for the equal lows. If it goes to $10, I'll mark it to break even, just to be on the safe side. I usually do break even plus or minus 5. Yeah. I have a feeling it's gonna go back up to this fair value gap and then come back down. But I always do this. I always go in super late. We'll do a limit order there, and then 120 bucks. 84 or 98. That's like 100, right? Now if it tags me and then continue the structure, right? It could just totally not do that though. And also it's a downtrend. I don't know. We'll see how everything plays out. It might not even tag in my second order. Tapped into the fair value gap and barely. I'm gonna have one chart up so I can just look at random different symbols. Wow. A little difficult to say. That will be Spotify up there. Oh, I forgot it was linked. I gotta unlink this. And put this back to micros. Nope, wrong one. Micro NASDAQ. It tag me in? No. It's about to. Where did my drone go? And I forgot how much we're risking at the very top here. So if it makes a new high, that'll be 90 bucks. That's not bad. That's fine. I can risk that. These equal lows. It gets down there. 51 bucks. I was patient for this. Inversed it. Don't like to see that. Gold's gonna come back up. Wonder if that means that the Nasdaq's gonna come back down. Wonder if they correlate. So we have two highs that we can look to see if it's gonna fail, right? So we could have a rule that, like, if it fails both highs, we just get out of it. Or if it passes it, because it comes down, makes a new high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low. So that's like a market structure shift, but now we want to see it inverse this. Inverse the inverse, right? We also have an imbalance here. It's the 1 minute though. Oh, 2 minute chart. It's not bad. But two-minute inversion. We lose 90, we lose 90. What it is, right? Yeah. Unless it stalls out here, which I doubt. I do not do options, I'm sorry. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna lose this one. Wait, I'm trying to find a really good multi-stream chat. Since the one I'm using kinda terrible. Like now it just connects everything. Right? Having a multi-stream chat would be nice. Like one that actually works. I'm not looking for a multi-stream chat for OBS. Like I just want it says I already have an account with Restream. I don't think I did though. I just want the chat. I don't want anything else. Maybe Claude can help me. Chatterino? Stream cord? What am I trading? I am trading the NASDAQ Minis futures. I do not do options or stocks or anything like that, just strictly futures. Trading with prop firms right now. But I'm also trying to figure out a good multi-stream chat that I can just kind of look at all the chats at once. Am I profitable? I mean, I have previous payouts, if that's what you're asking. TGR, honestly. Just his new videos. That's it. Yeah, 1 second. Okay. No. If you're still here, TJR is basically a influencer. He has his own thing. I'll show you what I use. It's basically like session highs, session lows, and stuff like that. And just a bunch of confluences just kind of line up with each other. This guy here, you've probably seen a ton of TikToks on him, but that's kind of like where I've learned most of my stuff. He has, I think it's a 16-day video course. It's good for beginners, absolutely. Absolutely great for new people. Now this trade's kind of taking a little bit to play out here. Keep your patience. Keep your patience. What is gold's going up now? Good for gold. It's gonna probably take me out. But you know what? It's part of the game, right? Yeah, it's gonna take me out 90 bucks ish, give or take. These are just the 50Ks from Apex. I'm fully expecting this to take me out. Fully expecting. Yeah. I love going from the 1 minute to the 5 minute. It looks so messy on the 5 minute. Yeah, that's what I figured would happen. And what I do for psychology's sake, I start a stopwatch. 5 minute timer. I will not trade for 5 minutes. Kind of just let the market do its thing for 5 minutes, and then I'll look back at it again. This is what I need to work on, at least. It's okay to look at it. It's just I'm not gonna make a trade. I'm just gonna actually chart it out. Previous sessions and everything. So why don't we do that? Kill some time. Alright, we got London low, London high, New York low, New York high. Previous Asian low, previous Asian high. And let's set these, what do you call them? Templates up. So that was Asia low, Asia high, London low, London high. And then we got New York low, New York low, and New York high. And now we are in the Asian session. Oh, that did not. That didn't. New York high. There we go. I do still think it's gonna go down. It's my bias right now, just due to kind of where it's like stalling out. Oh, there it went. So maybe after 5 minutes I'll do another short. It's my thought process. I really wanted to take out these lows. Equal lows. Now is this like in some sort of... No. Curious if it's gonna touch the open and then come back down, but yes is ripping. But the question is to where, right? So if we take the 1 hour, see what equilibrium looks like. Right? It's already past the 50, it's already past the 61.8. If we want to do a premium, 75.75%. Oh, that did not come over here. I'll chart. Save as template. Let's fix that. So ideally, if we're looking for shorts here, we kind of want to see it come up to the 75% range, and then form something that we can trade off of. So we are gonna wait. We are gonna be patient. It's gonna come back up, take out these and fix the highs. Timer is none. It means we can trade again. But I'm just gonna wait. See how this plays out. What if the YouTube chat is on this? Yeah, it probably is. Kind of want to look for like a reversal. Probably wouldn't be happening until up here. I think I'm down 90 bucks. Yeah, $93 each. Not too much. It's been a couple years. I'm not at the point where I want to be. I'm still trying to be consistent with payouts. You know, once in a while I will get them, but it's been tough with me mentally. Just to be real with you, it's a real mental game. Like I'll bring up my previous payouts. I'll show you. Let me log into Apex real quick. Like just for sake, I'll show you here. Date finalized. I don't know what that means. Anyways, here. So, bring this over. So you can see, I've had I don't know why. Oh, like trading day 0. They must have did something to their payout system. But I've had a couple paid out ones from 2024. Some of them did get denied just because I wasn't not following the rules. And then a couple more payouts. The very small payouts in 2025. And then the most recent one just got denied in July. So yeah, it's not easy, but I'm keep chugging along. Keep chugging. Alright, so let's see what we got here. It's not at the 75 mark that I wanted, but yeah, trading's very mental. It's not edge at all. It's really not. I can promise you that. Went above, didn't clear it. This is so tempting to take. Maybe it breaks these lows, I'll take something. Because if I get filled here, stop would be $35. And then if I still target these, like $100. Why not? Look at everything prepped. It's a little imbalance here. I want to see if it just tags me, comes back down. Feels it. Ah. Come on, stay disciplined. Stay disciplined. It might just run off without me then. Yeah. Yep, right idea. Right idea. And I don't want to chase this either. The plan is to learn it and pass it on to my kids. Yeah. See, my thing right now is, before I even have a kid, I want to be financially set in the sense, if that makes sense to you. Like, I want them to be comfortable coming into this world. I don't want them to see, like, mom and dad struggling and, you know, everything just kind of takes its toll. It's still possible here that it might come grab me. There's also an imbalance here that I could look for, but yeah, I think it's just gonna leave me here. If it gets past this low, I'm just gonna cancel it. What's the ES doing here? God, I hate the ES with no volatility, no volume at all. It just looks so bad. This isn't making a good structure. Go up. It's almost like I shouldn't be in this trade. These equal lows are the only thing that's keeping me here. Actually, I'm gonna see if I can get a better entry here. Cut my risk almost by a third. And for the record, it would have not tagged me in yet. It's one of those things where the more screen time and chart time that you have, the more you see things. You see how they play out. Alright, so now I would have gotten filled if I stayed. But let's see if it grabs my entry. It's a nice structure to the upside, I will say. Technically, it didn't break structure to the downside yet, since it didn't close a candle below this. If it grabs me and comes back down, that'd be fantastic, but I'm not. No stress. Like, it's all psych games. Don't stress over it. Market will always be there. This candle's pretty weak, but it might be a quick stop out. We'll see. Would I say this was 30 bucks? 25? Like I said, it probably will. I was more focusing trying to get something up here. My impatience get me again. Yep. It's just wild seeing this on the hourly. We'll pull back. Is it 50% of this? That's cool. So far I'm down. Is it 93? 90, yeah, 93 for the day. Yeah, it'll stop me. That's alright. That's alright. I'm here for scalping. That's what happens. Not really following my rules, which is something that I need to take a mental note of. I mean, if this ends up working out, you know, I will use that as luck. I won't say that I follow my rules though, so that's a negative aspect. I'll throw that into my journal. Let's see if ES made an SMT or not. Oh, why don't you look at that? Oh, look at that. Got this high with this. Is it equal? Let's see. High is 1875. 1875. So these are equal. This was at 1046 and 1058. 1046. 1050. So 1 minute SMT, probably gonna get invalid real quick here. It'll get invalidated, take me out. Yeah, this isn't making a triple top. Yeah. The more times it pokes it, the more it becomes stronger. This 5-minute candle is a little nasty though. Just straight up, yeah. Alright, on to the next. So for a total 120. I don't want to long this either, it's too late. So, we gotta find structured breaks. Well, this is a retest. I mean, do I want to go long or do I want to stick to These eagle those, bro. That's what I want to see me get taken out. It's at 75% too. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna take it. What would be 100%? 100 bucks. And that would be 220. I want to find the ruler settings. Alright, we want type. How many bars? Yeah, we'll do price and time. That's fine. Let's make this a default. Oh, that's not the general one. Maybe chart settings? Yeah, quick ruler. Bars, time, price difference, ticks. Yeah, that's fine. This is one of the highs that I was trying to pay attention to. It's just another one up here. I mean, realistically, if it takes out this high and then starts getting some confluences, that'd be nice. Failed. Failed to stay up there. Now it's gonna bounce off the inverse, imbalance with the 75% off the fib. I don't know. It'd be nice to take another short. And this is what happened last night, right? Get a little reversal going. Got a couple highs stacked up here. Then we have this low, these lows, this low. I mean, there's a lot of lows, like low resistance. Okay, here's my rule, right? If we pass this, sell side liquidity. if it closes below that and then retraces, I'll add. I mean that ticked this to the point, man. 71.50. No. 76, 75. 76, 75. Yeah, that's equal highs right there too. I hate equal high. How's gold doing? Haven't looked at gold in a little bit. Gold is rocking. Gold is rocking. Yeah, it's alright. I figured, man. Alright, so it went back up, tried to recontest it. And what is half of this? Oh, it's right there. Trying to debate if I want to add to it or just leave it alone. No. Yeah. We'll add. We'll do an ask just in case it comes back up. Better price for it. What would be cool is if it inverses this all the way down here. Alright, didn't tag me in for my second one. So we'll see. So it tags in that fair value gap. It's also breaking the structure a little bit, right? It's not closing below it. If it blows this here, closes below it, like candle closes, it's considered a break of structure. Which it hasn't. But it has for this one. Yeah. I'm gonna add. Let's fix our stop loss and everything. Stop loss, we'll bring it back down here. We'll do 80 bucks. So I mean, total would be like 200, I think. Makes sense. And then for this position, we'll get out at these lows. with 11:12. So it's closing below this, or tried to. 30 seconds left. That's still a long time. So got 11 seconds left. Five. Alright, well, it's in this consolidation now. Trading should be boring. I just had this conversation with a buddy. See if it creates any fair value gaps or breakaway gaps. Breakaways are a little different from fair value. It just never goes back into that zone. Like for an example, this would be considered a breakaway because it didn't go back in. Same thing with this one, but instead it inversed it, closed on it. Maybe we'll just wait for a clean break. It's 2 minute or 3 minute even cleaner. It's a little cleaner. I know some traders, like social media influencers, use 3 minute. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Oh, didn't close it. Did not close it. Alright, so it inversed it. Nice. I just want to see if this fair value gap holds. And if it does, then we got a good setup here. Alright, trading is supposed to be boring. Fall asleep. Well, it's running. Like I said, it breaks below this low. It's a little nasty. These are just evaluation accounts, they're not real accounts. They're just fake. But still, it's important to treat a fake account with a real account, right? You gotta treat them the same. SMT there, no SMT. We are getting brick structures though in the 1 minute. And then retest. Oh man, what the hell? Yeah, it's gonna go back up. Maybe to fill this. Oh, too much. You know what I mean? I like to fill that. It's gonna come back up. I'm like falling asleep. Stalling down here. Didn't fill this up yet. Damn. Slow, slow, slow markets. Slow market.
The clock it taunts me, tells me I should be 30,000 feet in the air, but I'm only 6 feet. Still drowning in the thought I'll never be enough. Looking at myself and thinking he doesn't deserve your love. I can't escape the feeling I'm not human. It's just a subliminal act. Think I'm losing my mind, working overtime till my heart walls, I think I might go insane. How can I feel something when nothing's felt the same? I guess
Nope.
it's wishful thinking that I could
It
live
tapped into that real fast.
tormenting of my demons and
I wasn't even looking. Question is, do I add? Yeah. And then I'll put the stop loss actually here at $43. Move it down a little shorter. But I added, so it's a little bit more. And then we'll take off 2 up here. Maybe we can get some more volume, huh? 30 double the freaking volume of some of these candles. There we go. No? Spoke too soon? Spoke too soon. How convenient. Equal lows there too. So it'll take these out, right? Right? Okay. So it took me those. Now down. Let's see. Still going. I don't know if I should break everything. Break even now. Yeah. Let's bring everything break even +5. But we also want to take these lows. See if it starts playing well here. We got like 2 lows on the 1 minute chart for the New York high. I mean, I'm gonna take off 3 when it gets down there. Leave 1 running. The runner will go all the way down here to my initial. And if it does, pretty nice. This will just bring me back to break even, I think. Let's see. Can I have visual trading? We do label too. It'll probably stop me out. Not aggressive enough. It broke it. Yeah, it's gonna just take me out break even. I'm fully expecting it, but it did gap back into this fair value gap. Just see how it goes, I guess. See if it breaks to a new low. Or not new low, but lower low. You know what I mean, chat? Usually this pattern shows it's going to go back up. Fills the gap and come back up. But we're in a downtrend. I don't know how that's going to work. Fill this gap. I could just exit now to be negative 35 for the night, but patience, my friends, patience. The break even or profit, right? Yeah, it's gonna take me. Alright. Negative 81 for the night so far. I mean, honestly, this gap. I want to see this get like actually filled. It did, but okay. I was gonna say it only grabbed one. I'm still bearish. Still bearish. Oh, that actually filled this one in nice. Massive candle. I know I shouldn't be doing that. Okay.